Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to another question of Olympiad. Topic is the polynomial. The question is, if a, b, c are all non-zeros. In this question, the a, b, c are the non-zeros and a plus b plus c equal to 0. Then we need to find a square upon bc plus b square upon ca plus c square upon ab. We need to find this value. Okay, and we have only a plus b plus c equal to 0, in which these a, b, c are non-zeros. They are not equal to 0. Okay, so how to find the value of this? So we are using this concept and we are using some identities. We know that in the polynomial chapter we have already learnt in the polynomial topic, if a plus b plus c equal to 0. So we have a cube plus b cube plus c cube. If a plus b plus c equals to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc. Everybody knows this thing. So we are using just a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3bc here. So we need to find this. So first of all we will write down. Then we will take out the LCM. So BC, CA and AB. So the LCM of the denominator is ABC. So this BC cancel out, only A is the remaining. So A multiplied by this A square, it is A cube. This CA and CA is cancel out, only B is remaining. So it is B cube. And AB is AB cancel out, and C into C square is C cube. And this value, if this is a given part. So therefore after this given part, this implies that a cube plus b cube plus c cube value is 3abc. So can we put the value of a cube plus b cube plus c cube equals to 3bc here, and divide is the abc. So this abc and abc cancel out. So only number 3 is remaining. So which option is correct? This one. So hope you have understood this question, and for watching more videos of Olympiad math, you can go through the playlist of the Olympiad, in which the playlist is the geometry Olympiad math and geometry Olympiad math and the exponent Olympiad math, and also playlist of the polynomial Olympiad math. Thank you and thanks for watching.